Institut Seni Budaya Indonesia ISBI Aceh is one of the art colleges located in Aceh Besar, Aceh Province. Here is a brief profile of Institut Seni Budaya Indonesia Aceh. The history ISBI Aceh was established in 6 October 2014 with the aim of preserving and developing the arts and culture of Aceh. Since then, ISBI Aceh has the task of creating a university that has a role in developing artistic and cultural creativity at the local, national, and international levels. ISBI Aceh creates academic community with character, competitiveness, and competence in mastering science, knowledge, artistics, and cultural skills. ISBI Aceh currently has 2 departments with 9 study programs, including Karawitan or music, dance, theater, fine arts, crafts, visual communication design, and interior design. ISBI Aceh is equipped with various supporting facilities such as classroom, art studios, libraries, and performance spaces. These facilities are designed to support teaching and learning activities as well as the development of arts and culture. The vision of ISBI Aceh is creating a higher education institution for arts and cultural that produce academic, creative, independent, personable, and cultured people. The mission is providing quality education in the field of arts and culture, building a conducive and independent academic life through a quality, transparent, democratic, and entrepreneurial education system. Creating an academic community with character, competitiveness, and competence in mastering science, knowledge, and skills in art and culture. Fostering research that is based on the development of knowledge and service that is oriented towards the interests and progress of the nation and state. Increasing the role of ISBI Aceh in developing artistic and cultural creativity at the local, national, and international levels, building cooperation between institutions and other relevant elements. ISBI Aceh has produced quality and accomplished graduates in various fields of the arts. The Institute is also active in arts and cultural activities in Aceh and Indonesia. The students of ISBI Aceh are active in various arts and cultural activities such as theater or dance and music performance, workshop, and art exhibitions. They are also involved in community service activities to promote the art and culture of Aceh.